Hi friends, my name is Shannon Arnstein. I am the author of Quilting with Panels and Patchwork, and these are two of the quilts from within this book. Come join me in Daytona and hear the stories behind all of the quilts in this book, the stories and the inspiration that went into creating them. And this is my quilt I've designed, Breeze on the Bayou. This is a take on Storm at Sea, but does not require any templates. And this is my quilt I designed, Braided Whirligig. This quilt requires 9 fat quarters. So grab your favorite fat quarter bundle you've been waiting for the perfect project. Here it is. This quilt is a favorite of mine. These are my mother-in-law's handmade doilies here in the center of the Ohio Stars, and I've titled this quilt Legacy of Love and Lace. My mother-in-law, if you knew her, she was all about love, and she did love to bake and cook, and she did love to crochet. So I took her handmade items, combined it with my love of quilting, and turned it into this treasured family heirloom. So grab your favorite doilies and come make this quilt with me in Daytona. And this is my quilt, Argyle. This quilt is made out of cozy flannel, perfect to be warm and cozy in these cooler winter days. And this is my quilt, pocket full of posies. The main portion of this quilt uses 12 fat quarters. I don't know about you, but I got a few fat quarter bundles that have been waiting on the perfect project, and here it is. I'll hope to have you join me in Daytona and make one for yourself. I'll see you there.